Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? Have you seen Ethereum? 2000, this is something. Today I want to quickly talk about some latest crypto news and then I will jump into Internet of Things part of my channel. Recently Nvidia said that they want to release RTX 3060 with some kind of limits. And those limits are especially for miners. They want to reduce hash rate by 50%, meaning that miners won't buy the card and the card will go as intended for the gamers. I'm sure you can crack that thing and go around it through BIOS, but will the other GPUs be affected by that? Maybe they want to implement some kind of a software update. Hopefully no one will go for it. It is pretty sad, but I don't think that Nvidia will do that. Even if they will, at least launch some other GPUs for mining. Okay, and now let's talk about Helium Hotspot's HNT tokens and its price. I'll start off from the beginning. It was August 2020, COVID-19 was walking in our street, still does. I was sitting on the beach in Turkey enjoying my summer vacation and reading and going through all of those crypto news, and then I found that interesting device called Helium Hotspot. I played that I'm glad you asked video, understood a little about IoT, and then I started to do my own research. What exactly is IoT, how to understand it, how does it mine, how do you earn money from it. By the end of September, I was already waiting for my pre-ordered hotspot. And there you go, I have it on my terrace running smoothly and happily with external antenna attached. The price of the Helium token that day was $1.52. My hotspot was mining pretty slowly, so then I thought maybe I need a second one. But if you look at the price chart, you could actually see that the price of HNT token is rising pretty quickly. We see some high points in end of September as well as beginning of November. Slowly but surely HNT token price is rising. And we are now in 2021 and the price of HNT token is pretty high. So then comes Helium giveaway only for Europe. I joined and I was one of the winners. So I got one Helium hotspot for free. Plus at the same time I bought the second one. So I was waiting for it too. So far today I have 5 of them. The price of HNT token is $4.59. My 5 hotspots mine around 400 HNTs, meaning that I have earned around $1,836. Speaking of my latest Helium hotspot video, I placed it in the custom box. This is just a regular plastic container, to be honest. I sealed all possible places where the water might get through and used glue gun to seal holes around the cables. It's been raining, snowing, and it is still running flawlessly. For me, being involved in the world's largest and fastest growing LoRaWAN network is a big step, since it is definitely our future, and as I'm always saying, it's gonna be there for a long time. It literally costs cents to run those hotspots, and they bring you much more profit than they originally requested. All of that is made possible through sophisticated open source technologies that aim to create a truly decentralized and trustless model for building wireless infrastructure. So in the long run, people are asking me, should I buy Helium hotspot or other hotspots to mine HNT right now? Isn't it too late? I mean, there's always, guys, in mining it's never too late to run those devices, especially you're helping your town and at the same time you're earning something from it. And if you really want to buy one of those, make sure you use my referral link. I'll leave it in the description box to this video, and I'll also leave referral codes for crypto.com, and if you like the music as well, you can see the referrals for the Epidemic Sound too. Also, I want to say that I have 5 hotspots. I've spent around $1,600 on them, or euros, dollars. Anyway, I already returned my investment from them. So it is quite good, so now they're earning and mining their profits. And don't worry if you want to buy one of those and you're the only one who's going to place it in your town. Within some time there will be others who is going to join you. And yes, this video is not sponsored by Helium, it's just me who is telling you my opinion about it, and I think it's a wonderful idea to purchase one of those things and just stay up to date with the technology. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more, subscribe to my channel, and bye bye.